Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go?
Good morning. Good morning. So, wash my hair, and I have lots to do this morning. I've already logged into work, so work is complete for now. I washed my hair. I need to get myself together. Not going anywhere, but I just need to do my hair. I'm thinking about braiding it up and doing one or two things. I've been thinking about putting dreads back in my hair. I'm not quite sure. Okay, so let me just break this down. The thing with my hair, I love wearing my natural hair. Love it. However, I noticed that my daughter, she went natural too. But she doesn't wear her natural hair out, if you guys notice. Kayla's always changing her hair. She's always got wigs on or extensions or something like that. And her hair grows so much faster than mine. And it's because, I believe, it's because I actually wear my natural hair. I put it in puffs. I wear it down. I like wearing my natural hair because it's comfortable for me. However, it doesn't grow as fast. It grows a lot faster when I put it up in those protective styles, when I put dreads in them or I put wigs on and stuff like that. However, wigs are convenient, but sometimes they become annoying. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. Like for me, sometimes it feels like, I don't know, it just kind of gets on my nerves. Sometimes like I just want to yank it off. I like being free. I've noticed that about myself. I think the older I get, I just love being free. So, anyway, having said that, um, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with my hair. I know it's nice and clean, and I have my leave-in conditioner in, and I have a t-shirt on my head because it soaks up the water. I have very low what is it? Porosity in my hair. Like my hair does not, it soaks water, but it also doesn't hang on to the water. So anyway, um, so I'm thinking about just kind of parting it, detangling it, and maybe just braiding it like in 4 braids and just pulling it back, um, and wearing a wig. Or I'm thinking about detangling it and then maybe blow drying it and possibly putting the dreads back in. I don't know. You guys will see tomorrow what I decided to do. um, I can do my dreads while I'm sitting, in front of my computer, working and waiting on work to come in. So, yeah, I don't know yet. I don't know. But I know I need to do that. I need to make up that bed. Earl's gone to a doctor's appointment. I haven't had my coffee yet. The door isn't open yet. The Christmas lights are not turned off yet. But I am taking care of me. So, and then I gotta look, my night clothes are still on the bathroom floor. I got stuff from out of my drawer. Yeah, there's like a whole situation going on here. My towel from the shower. The cat is in here investigating. Like we have a whole thing. We have a whole thing going on here. Whole situation. I have on my bathrobe. So yeah, let me get myself together and I'll be right back. Hopefully with maybe a cup of coffee in my hand. And I think I feel like cold coffee today. Don't need yeah, I'm feeling really good. So, yeah, we'll see. I gotta brush my teeth. Oh, Lord. Let me get to going. Okay, so I'm trying to make up the bed. See, I'm not even done. Why she think it's okay? Yeah, I'm talking about you. Why do you think it's okay to be on the bed when I'm trying to make up the bed? Don't act like it's something so interesting out there. Why do you think it's okay to be on the bed? Chloe, why do you think it's okay to be on the bed while I'm making up the bed? Because you're spoiled and you said I can do anything I want to do because I'm a cat. Okay, well, I'm going to continue making up the bed. Alright, so I did it. I worked, I'm working, and I did my hair. So I just have it kind of pinned up now, but yep, I decided to go ahead and do the dreads. This will be less work in the long run, so I don't have to do too much to my hair. I can get up and just kind of, I'll take it down so you guys can see it. So this is what it's looking like, and if I want, I can do either the middle part like this. Just trying to get it to relax a little bit, but I can do the middle part like this, or I could flip it over and do sort of a side part type of deal like that, which I kind of like. I love a side part. Or I could, you know, do half up, half down, and but I cut it kind of short. I don't like it too long. I don't want it long. Because I never thought I was a very picky person when it comes to hair, but apparently I am. So, yeah, so I'm gonna put it back up, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys that I'm still over here working, and I was able to do my hair at the same time, which is a good thing. You know, so yeah, but I like it. What do you guys think? I have just a few little pieces here and there just to kind of, you know, embellishments or whatever. And yeah, I like it. I like it. Oh, I just heard an email come through. Let me get to work. Bye. That's Kayla. Messing with her. So, remember that taco meat we had left over? I'm going to use that. I have not eaten all day. I didn't get my coffee or anything this morning, and I'm starving. So, I'm going to make me a plate of nachos. We had some, the chili con queso by Tostitos in the pantry. So, I'm going to get me some nacho chips. And I'm going back and forth like a crazy person. And it's probably because I haven't eaten. I'm hungry. I'm very, very, very hungry. So let me turn the light on. And then let me get some chips. Here, get some chips. And yeah, you're hungry. And it's because I was too busy. You know what? I didn't even have to do that. I did not have to do that. I'm gonna put that back because we already have chips cooking. I'm a very resourceful person. My family, on the other hand, will probably look in the fridge and say, oh, there's nothing to eat. There's nothing to eat. There's stuff to eat that I just don't want to look at. So, yeah. You want a chip, Ginger? You want a chip? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas with the red and green chips. There you go. So, I'm gonna get my stuff here. Got my chips, my Christmas chips. And then I am going to sprinkle a little meat and cheese over these chips. This is all heated up, I think. One thing I hate is thinking I got some food that's hot and it's cold. No bueno. It's going to be just a little warmer. No problem. That's good. Good. So, I'm going to sprinkle my meat over the chips. It's gonna be a big old plate of nachos, and I'm probably not even gonna be able to eat all this. But, I'm so ready. I'm so hungry. Oh, cheese is ready. So we're just gonna, here, let me see if you guys can see. I'm just gonna pour this cheese all over that. Doesn't that look good? Ouch! This bowl is hot. Hot. I'm being greedy, that's why. Get all of that nice, good, yummy. Yep. We'll let that soak for a bit. And then, we got a little meat there. We don't want that to go to waste. A few jalapenos. I like them diced. Like a little diced jalapeno. And no nacho is complete without a little sour cream. Da, la, 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 la. That's it. That is my breakfast and lunch combined. And I want a little apple juice to go with it. Absolutely love apple juice. I always have, ever since I was a little girl. And yeah, that is it. I'm going to go and eat in front of my computer and finish my work. Alright, so I'm taking a little break, and Chrissy. Hi, Chrissy. Chrissy is one of my loyal subscribers. Like, she always comments below underneath my videos, and I really appreciate all your support, Chrissy. So Chrissy said, why don't you bring back Dear Darkberry? That's an awesome idea. So, I don't know what I should do to get the word out, but yes, I have no problem bringing back Dear Darkberry. And I guess some of you are probably saying, what is Dear Darkberry? Dear Darkberry is a series that I had, well, that I still have on my channel. I don't know, it just stopped. I stopped too. But Dear Darkberry is a series that I have had where I would help people. People would write me emails. They would email me at darkberry32@gmail.com, and I would read their emails if they needed help. And it seemed like there was a trend. It was mostly on relationships, like, you know, my boyfriend, my ex-husband, you know, dealing with kids, or, you know, stuff like that. So, but it doesn't have to be that. It could be, you know, I want to surprise somebody. What do you have any ideas? Or I want to do this. I don't know why it seems like I'm sitting on something. I'm just moving around. So, yeah, so I'm going to bring back Dear Darkberry. Probably what I will do is either I'll just post a separate video introducing Dear Darkberry again, and just saying that it's back, and, you know, where you can email me if you have any questions or anything like that. And remember, I will keep your name anonymous. I do not, you know, put your business out there. I just answer the question to my best ability. I'm not a therapist or anything like that, but I do answer to my best ability. So let's bring back Dear Darkberry. That is a great idea, Christy. Thank you for commenting on that below. And again, guys, you see that I do pay attention to your comments. So if you have anything that you want to ask, tell, say about the channel, what I can do to improve. Also, y'all, how about we are one person away from hitting 1,700? And I know that's not a lot to a lot of people, but for me it is, especially because I'm starting back up again. I think when I started back up, I was like 16.5 or something like that. So now we're at 16.99. So guys, come on. Y'all can help me. Share, 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 share. Let's get to 1,700, and then we can start worrying about how many views we get on our videos and how many likes and all that kind of stuff. And I just want y'all to come along with me and blow up with me, because you see, y'all know who my supporters are, because I'm putting it at the end of my videos and stuff. You guys are great supporters and everything. So come on, come on, come on. And if you're watching this and if you haven't subscribed, you could be that 1,700th subscriber. So identify yourself. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. What you waiting for? All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming outside just to get a little breath of fresh air, but also to let you guys know that I am going to be bringing back my series of Dear Darkberry. I know you've seen it in the title, and some of you that are probably new, you don't know what Dear Darkberry is. And Dear Darkberry is a series where I basically answer questions that you guys have, and it's not questions that you put in the comment section. Some of these questions are deep life decisions that you have to make, or different things that are going on in your life. So what you can do is you can email me at darkberry32@gmail.com, and if you do so, I will get that email. I will read it online. I will keep your name anonymous. I will not, I will even change your name, and kind of bring to everyone what your actual issue is, and then give you my resolution, what I would do to resolve that certain issue. Again, I am not a trained psychologist, therapist, doctor, nothing like that. Just a lot of life experiences, and I would like to, help people if I can. All right? So if this is something that you think you need, please don't hesitate to email me at darkberry32@gmail.com. Thanks. All right, y'all. It's the end of the day. I know it wasn't very eventful. Not so much going on. Just a lot of work. I did my hair. That was about it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off today so I can go ahead and get these things uploaded. You will see another video uploading tonight. I might go ahead and upload it before I upload this one. And it's in response to Chrissy when she wanted me to go ahead and start Dear Darkberry back up. So I'm going to go ahead and post something about that. And that is about it. I will talk to you guys later. Have a fabulous day. Oh, and let me not forget, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and comment on this video. And don't forget to go ahead and give me more and more and more ideas. I love it. I love it. Tell me what I can do better. I'm just trying to get things up and going with this channel. And Vlogmas is helping me do so. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not